Have you ever wondered, why are we all fascinated by the unknown? Why do unpredictable things grab our attention? It's human nature to be drawn to mystery and things we can't understand. This psychology can be applied in love and relationships. In this video, I'm going to teach you the psychology secrets to make anyone think about you non-stop. But remember, bro, don't play around with this. And don't use these techniques carelessly. Rule 1. Be unpredictable. Humans are curious creatures. We're attracted to mystery and things we can't understand. When you're easy to predict, you're easy to understand. It's like watching a movie you've seen many times. You know every line and every scene, and there are no surprises. It quickly becomes boring. People lose interest in things they can predict, especially in relationships. The excitement of the unknown is what keeps things alive. By being unpredictable, you're tapping into the basics of manipulation, playing with the principles of reward and uncertainty. Think of it like a slot machine, bro. The unpredictable rewards keep people pulling the lever. In this case, you're the slot machine, bro. Sometimes you give her attention and affection, but unexpectedly you're inconsistent. This triggers something deep inside her brain, creating a sense of addiction. She starts craving your attention because she can't predict when she'll get it. This isn't just about being a mystery. It's about creating an emotional roller coaster that gets higher and higher. She doesn't see it coming, it drops when you're away. Make her work hard for your attention. This is a form of psychological control, a way to make her keep thinking about you because she can't understand your patterns. Bro, rule 2. Make her emotionally dependent on you. This is where you get into her mind. It's not just about always being there for her. It's about becoming someone she can't live without. You become the person who understands her better than anyone else and taps into her deepest emotions and fears. Listen to her, bro. Learn what moves her, and then use that knowledge to become her emotional anchor. Here's the trick, bro. Do it selectively. Sometimes be there for her, and other times pull back with inconsistency. This creates urgency and need, making her crave your presence and support while keeping your identity strong. Don't get lost in the role of being her emotional support system. Chase your own dreams and goals. The balance between emotionally supporting her and maintaining your independence creates an irresistible magnetic attraction. You give her emotional support, but only on your terms, making her increasingly dependent on your unique connection. Rule 3. Disappear. Below. This one is about the element of surprise and the power of absence. When you suddenly become less available or disappear from the radar, people tend to want what they can't have. By disappearing, you become something she can't have, even if just for a while. When you're consistent and predictable, you create a pattern, but you have to break it. Stay silent, bro. Don't call, don't text, and don't give her an explanation. This triggers a psychological response called the fear of loss. It's a principle that suggests people are more motivated by the fear of losing something than the prospect of getting something of equal value. When you're absent, she might feel the potential of losing you, which ironically increases your value in her life. However, this tactic needs to be timed perfectly. It's not about making her anxious or worried. It's about creating strategic emptiness and then reappearing exactly when she starts to feel your absence. When you return, you'll find that her interest and appreciation for you have skyrocketed. Rule 4. Don't be jealous of other guys around. Her jealousy is a common emotion that often comes across as a sign of weakness and insecurity. When you show jealousy, you're telling her that you feel threatened and that you lack confidence. In your position, it's not the image you want to project. You need to embody confidence and security in yourself to qualities that are incredibly attractive. The strategy here is to remain unaffected when there are other guys around her. If she's talking to another guy, stay calm, bro. And show that you're secure in yourself and in whatever you have with her. This nonchalant attitude can actually work in your favor. It's like the principle of reactance. When someone feels their freedom to choose is being restricted, they want it more. By not showing jealousy, you're not limiting her. You're giving her the freedom to choose. Paradoxically, this often makes her choose you as the more confident and unaffected option. But this doesn't mean you should be passive or indifferent. It's about showing her that your value and self-worth don't depend on her actions. Control your emotions, not the other way around. Mastering this increases your psychological attraction. You're not just another guy who reacts easily out of jealousy. You're the guy who stands out because you're secure in yourself and unaffected by potential competition. Rule 5. Prioritize your goals and ambitions over instant gratification. This is about showing where your priorities lie. When you focus on your goals and ambitions, you send a clear message. You're driven, you have purpose, and you're not easily swayed by short-term pleasures. This attitude is incredibly attractive, bro. Positioning you as someone with high value and meaning. Here's how to apply it. Bro, let her see that your goals are your top priority. This isn't about ignoring her or your relationship, but about showing that you're not dependent on her. Your happiness and satisfaction come from yourself and your own journey. This creates a dynamic where she sees you as someone striving for something greater, a person who's not just living for the moment, but building a future. This quality is psychologically attractive to people, and naturally, they're drawn to individuals who show ambition and determination. Moreover, this approach taps into the concept of scarcity. When you're less available because you're pursuing your ambitions, your time becomes more valuable. She'll start to see your time and attention as something precious. By doing this, you're not just another option in her life, you're the prize. You become someone she wants to be connected to, someone she respects and admires. Conclusion. Okay, bro. If you find these strategies interesting, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay cool and keep hustling, bro.